Hey everyone, this is Tom with Convesio, and I wanted to take you through an early look at our Convesio AI, which is going to enter beta very soon. This is a powerful embedded AI at the infrastructure level that is able to help you with a number of different things on your site. It can actually change and modify code, update plugins. It can run tasks on your site. So I'm going to just jump in and show you a little bit about what it does. So first off, we'll ask it what plugins are running. So the AI is actually quite intelligent, and it has a whole variety of tools available to its disposal. So here you can see that we're actually using WPCLI, and it's telling me, well, there's no active plugins running on the site. Maybe I want to know what plugins are installed. And so you can tell that it's actually now looking for a different command, which is it's running WPCLI and saying, give me all the plugins, not just the active ones. So it's very intelligent and knows kind of what you're talking about. We can say what themes are installed. You'll also notice that it's relatively quick as well. We've done a lot of work to optimize this so that it has context around WordPress, your code base, all of that. So, all right, we can see here that there's a number of themes installed, and I don't usually like to have a bunch of themes installed that aren't up to the latest version. So we're going to ask the AI, please update all my themes. And I'm going to let the video run here just for a sec so you can see exactly how fast it is. Now, because we're in plan mode right now, it's asking me if I want to auto accept this. So it's giving me a bit of a plan, and it's actually showing me that it's going to update these various plugins to their respective latest versions, including the active theme. All right, so we can see here that within just a few seconds, we've got a report back that all the themes were updated successfully, and everything seems to be fine. It's updated its task list here, but you know, if I was doing this on a production site, I might want to actually have it visit the site and make sure everything is working, right? So please visit my site and ensure it's all working properly and report back your findings. Okay, now this is where some of the magic happens. Not only does it have access to your code base, but we've actually built a browser into this as well. So it can actually visit your site and test it much like a human would. And so all of the tools that we've built into this AI give it the things that are needed for you to be able to do the things and automate the processes that you might have done through your agency that are now labor intensive. I'll give you an example here. Imagine when you launch a new website, having this tool run through your QA process for you. Now, I want to point out one more thing, which is any of these windows that have processes here, you can actually expand these. So we can go ahead and open this so you can see all the commands that are being ran to do all the actions that the AI is taking on your site. So we wanted to give you a tremendous amount of visibility into what the AI is doing, but we also wanted to make it so that it's simplified and not overwhelming. So you don't need to see everything at the CLI level, but if you want to look at it, you can see it here. So we can see here this is using our MCP for our browser. And so it's actually running this tool that's firing up a browser, and that browser is going to start to visit your website. And you can see here we've got a little bit of an update here. It's checking to see if the task is complete by the browser. When the browser's finished, it's going to report back what its findings are to the AI. And then the AI will package all this up and give it to you in a nice presentation. So I'm going to pause the video really quickly here and then we'll let this finish and I'll come back. Okay, that's been about 30 seconds more since I paused the video, and you can see here that the site testing results finished, and this is the site, and this is just a basic WordPress install that I have, a blank install, and you can see here homepage performance. It checked whether it was loading properly, no visible errors, the correct theme was applied, the navigation works properly. We've got our Hello World post installed, theme integration, no visual inconsistencies, broken elements, it's mobilely responsive, technical performance, fast load times, minor observations, it's a standard WordPress installation with default content, all functionalities working as expected for a fresh WordPress install. And you can see that we have our current task list has been updated here. So in this one set of a few prompts, we have updated themes, we could have updated plugins, we've ran a bit of a basic regression test on the site, and we have confirmation that these various things are working as they should. So this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with Convesio's AI tool. We can actually code plugins in your site, we can do advanced analysis on things like ADA or accessibility. We can do performance analysis. We can install plugins, configure plugins for you, write in-depth reports and analysis on your site. So if you're an agency and you need to do a review of your site, you can ask the AI to give me suggestions on what will make my site better, what will make it faster. And it has a whole host of tools to be able to analyze your site and report back to you, build plans, and then execute those plans for improvement. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you so much, and we're really excited about the future of Convesio AI. Stay tuned for more information.